Hey everybody, I'm so glad you can make it today. I do apologize for being so late. We had some video difficulties here going on and I've got a little bit of lighting issues, but let's get ahead and get on with this. So let me see. Hold on. Just a second. I'm going to get you guys over here. So let me see. Hold on. Okay, there we are. Okay, can everybody hear me okay? Okay, there we are. All right, because I had a little backbeat going on. Okay, can everybody hear me okay? Okay, we're going to talk a little bit here this morning about, or this afternoon, I guess, when you can expect what it is you want to have. I mean, expect that it's coming, expect that it's here, expect it to be there for you. When you expect to receive, then you have no choice but to receive. Because what happens is the universe, you desire it and you get it. It's all up to you. Hold on. Desire it and you get it. It's all up to you. Oops, hold on. Hold on. Okay, got it. Sorry about that, guys. So when you expect to get something, you ask, you put it out there to the universe, you ask for it, and you're right there in tune with it, and you're ready to receive it. So when you are and you're ready to receive what it is you want, then you have to be in the zone of actually receiving it. Because if you're not in the zone of actually receiving it, then what's going to happen is you're going to get all confused with your vibrations. You're going to get confused with your thoughts. You're going to get confused with your feelings. So if at any time as you're manifesting or as you're moving forward with this, if anytime you don't expect to receive what it is you're asked for, then you've already stopped the flow of energy flowing in your direction. You've already stopped that flow. And you don't want to stop that flow because that flow is way too important for you to even try to stop it. It is meant to go and it is meant to flow freely to you. So when you do this, there's a time concept actually involved in this. And it's a time concept through the universe. It's cause and effect. When you know how cause and effect flows together and creates what happens in the now, it creates now. It doesn't create a month from now, a week from now, or 2 months from now. It only creates in the now. Granted, what you've created now may come to fruition in a month, may come to fruition in a year. It may manifest in 2 years. It just depends on how aligned you are to receiving manifestations and how in tune you are with what it is you actually desire. But get in mind that there's a time concept involved. And, you know, it's happening now. It's the laws of the universe. And they're attracting from you, for you, to you. Your thoughts and feelings give it fuel. So whatever fuel you're giving to the universe, whatever fuel you're giving to those thoughts, to those feelings, and not to mention visualization. Visualization plays a key part in everything we do, in our lives, in our world, in everything around us. Visualization plays a key part. Seeing and feeling how you feel, seeing and feeling the flow of energy, the patterns that are connecting all of your desires. They're connecting everything you're desiring to you, through you, from you, around you. So it goes right down to the simple little analogy of, so a man thinketh, it is done. Everything already exists. You just line up with it. So think about that. I'm going to say it one more time. So a man thinketh, It is done. Everything already exists. You just line up with it. It's like if you've ever read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It is not just a book about being wealthy. It is a book about different principles, different philosophies, different ways to rule your life and to bring forth to you everything that you desire and everything that you want. And by expecting it now, this is how creation is made. We came here to this earth plane to be creators. We came here to create in the now. We came here to create today, not tomorrow, not the next day, but we came here to create now by our vibrations, by our thoughts, by our feelings. That's all part of who we are now. So when you think about what you're doing, think about how you're manifesting and think about what you're growing. If you're growing your business and you're having a little hiccup, we have a lot of hiccups. There are hiccups along the way. It is going to happen because it's a law of critical mass. Beginning with people and being with people who are doing what you're doing. The critical mass effect is when you are around people who are doing what you're doing, who are maybe they're ahead of you, or maybe they've already manifested X number of dollars in their lives. When you are around people like that have already done this and you're doing it now, what do you think is going to happen? Exactly. You're going to get more energy. You're going to get more vibration. You're going to get more people saying, hey, we got this. Let's do that. This is fabulous. Let's all get on board with this. So it's a powerful energy. The law of attraction is a powerful energy. The law of attraction is cause and effect. The law of attraction is momentum. They're all connected. When you connect momentum, the law of attraction, cause and effect, oh, come on. You know how it all goes. It all flows together. So there are ways to make money from home. But if you're not in the vibrational tune to what it is, maybe you're an affiliate. Maybe as an affiliate, you're not quite sure what's going on and you're not in an upline or, a group. I prefer to be in a group than an upline where they're not getting everything done, where things aren't flowing the way they should be. So when you look at it this way, there's so much going on in the world. There's so much out there that is there for you that is just growing like crazy. So definitely be in tune with what's happening. Be in tune with where your vibrations are, what your thoughts are, and where your words are. Your words are so important, okay? I want you to take this to heart because it is really important. And how you do this and how it works and everything that's flowing forward for you, okay? It is. It can be that simple. And I really hope everybody looks at this and says, you know what? I've got this. I am creating this in my world, in my life, and everything is happening for me. Okay? Sounds good. I hope you guys get this, and I hope you look at the offer I've got up here in my header. It's to help you to grow. It's to grow your business. It's to grow your income. It's to grow your mindset even more. So I will talk to you guys later, and everybody have a super blessed day.